As a service provider, it's no longer possible just to stand up infrastructure. Clients are really looking to see how we can help them leverage technology to make them successful. Niu Solutions is a UK-based MSP. We have clients who are typically moving at velocity and are often in regulated spaces. For us, it's all about delivering a differentiated customer experience by being disruptive through technology. We help our clients do just that. We drive change. We had a real mission to try and find a way that we could manage our huge volume of log data. We process about 500,000 alerts a month, which already then get dropped down to 12,500, but they have to be run through by the operations teams, and that's a huge overhead to the organisation. We have huge volumes of network traffic moving between our data centres and our clients, and we needed insight to understand what was going on. Lots of our clients tend to be ISVs, so they're really looking for insight in the way the application is being used and the experience their users are getting whilst using that platform. The outcome of having Logtrust has meant that our time to insight is greatly reduced, and as a result it means we can be more proactive for our customers. It enables us to drive some real efficiency and trying to be more predictive rather than reactive in our management of those alerts, and also that we can start picking up unusual trends.
So one of the benefits that Logtrust has brought to us and to our customers ultimately is the ability to actually filter through that data really quickly and in real time. So actually picking out things that are either broken or superfluous information that we don't actually care about. Historically, looking through the 100 to 200 meg log files of each device every day, that would take hours, and it wouldn't actually be that accurate because you'd miss some things. To actually do this in Logtrust, you then have to look through the log. You can actually then just simply see the messages that you want to actually highlight. So you can see this device has gone down, or this port has gone down, or this response time is too high. From there, you can then actually quickly just create the logic, input an application, look through the logic that you want, and actually say, look, I want to see this host name, and I want to see this is how many times that port's gone down. And it's very simple, it takes 5 minutes, so then boom, you've got your little web app in your dashboard. Ultimately, what Logtrust has enabled us to do is investigate a performance problem that usually took 4 hours, half a day to actually get somewhere, now takes 20 minutes. It's brilliant.
When we're selecting a partner to work with, we're really looking for a partner who's not just going to sell us a product, but a partner who's going to help us be successful at actually using it. Logtrust has really done that by providing us with lots of training, lots of ongoing support, and making sure we're actually getting value from the product.
So just last week we were launching a brand new website, so we were using Logtrust on the staging server. This meant we could see how quickly the pages were loading and see what was slowing anything down. So for example, large image sizes or links that were broken. And this meant we could obviously reduce those image sizes and fix any problems before we went live, meaning that the site was running a lot quicker and at good standard as soon as we went into production. We've continued to use Logtrust now we're in production, which is great because we can see exactly where people are visiting the site from, which is obviously very important from the security perspective, but also really insightful from a marketing perspective too.
One of the key requirements of any product that we were looking to fulfill this was that it was built around an OPEX model rather than a CAPEX model. Typically, I think most customers and ourselves are moving to that model where they want things to be elastic and they're paying for what they consume rather than investing upfront on huge infrastructures to support it. So the fact the product is cloud-based really supports that model and enables us to start quite small, and as we find the benefit, we've been able to grow into it and only pay for what we're using. Logtrust gives us a value-added service which we extend to our clients and really deepens our relationship with them.